Yo, this is not bad, man. This is not bad. Dodge got an event going on over here where they are letting you get into the Chargers and the Challengers and take them and drift around the course. They give you a free t-shirt. And that's it, man. That's fun. You can also mount your phone so you can have your course. That's the line of the folks that want to do it. This is the first part. This is the people coming back. Pull over here and this is where they get out. Having a ball. It's just a long line. Long line to do it, man. Alright, we're gonna look at a couple more of these Mopars, man. Some of these Chargers over here. We in an area where it's custom Chargers and Challengers. Like that green over there. That lime green, slime green. We got a couple 300s over there, Challengers. The Gold Rush. That's not a Daytona though, that's a Hemi Gold Rush. That's a nice one though. Let me guess, this your car. You matching. How did I know, right? This is nice.
Thank you.
Sublime, huh?
Take a look at my monster inside.
Oh, nice. You really did a good job.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, you getting ready to get out of here?
Yeah, it's too
Been here,
hot.
yeah, been here too long, right? Man, got the matching chairs and everything. Nice car. You're welcome. Look at them seats. Carbon RT. USS Rex TikTok. They put the modified cars all the way over here back in the cut. People probably don't even get to see them, man. By the time you walk this place and get over towards here, you like, man, I'm done. Sinister, that's your club?
Yep.
Okay. All these guys are you?
Yeah, no, that's just me and him right here.
Okay.
We had another one down there, but they just rolled out.
Where are you out of?
South Jersey.
South Jersey.
Yeah,
Okay.
we got some people in PA, but mostly
Yeah.
South Jersey.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, cool, man. I
Where
seen
you
a
from,
show.
man?
I'm from Lansdowne, PA, right
okay.
by Philly,
Yeah,
right near
it's
Philly.
not far. Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah. I got a YouTube channel. I just go around to the car shows
Oh, cool.
and motorcycle shows and record them and put them on my channel.
Oh, nice, man.
Yeah,
Good stuff, man.
So we're gonna have you guys on there too.
Oh, that's cool.
All right.
Appreciate it.
All right, man.
Yo, have a good one.
All right, you too.
All right, I'm coming, man.
So he did the top different in the hood, in the trunk. He got the crystals really going on in there, but not on here on a regular car. I hope y'all can see that on here. Tuxedo 300S. Sheesh. Wow, wait. Oh man, look. Vertical Doors Inc. Tuxedo.300S. Instagram. Drop this baby on the belly. Quick swerve. How you doing?
Where,
Ooh, look
where'd you
at
put it?
that.
It's on the trunk still? Custom wheels built?
That's nice. I got a channel though. I got a YouTube channel, so I'm putting this on my channel. So it's probably some people on there. That's you. You make these?
Our company.
Yeah.
RVRN. James Chamberlain gets you 15% discount.
Say it again.
James Chamberlain gets you 15% discount.
James Chamberlain. So anybody interested, James Chamberlain's mention that name, right? Get a 15% discount.
Custom build your wheels. You get to be the designer.
How about that part, right? You get to be the designer of your own wheels, man. Nice. Thanks, man. Have a good one, all right? It's a one-off wheels, guys. HHP Racing. Do it your way. Your car. Do it your way. It's a nice plaque. Myrtle. It's the best ride I've seen all day. It's the best ride I've seen all day right here, man. Doing? Woohoo! Heard that? Wide body kit on there. Back it up, back it in. Get that one. Nice exhaust on that. Incredible Hulk. Long day, right?
As a matter of fact, I might have my co-driver fucking
where you coming from?
I'm coming from Delaware.
Okay. All right. You just came down for the day or the whole
No,
weekend?
I've been here since
The whole-
Thursday.
Oh, okay.
I come down here every Thursday.
Yeah.
Every
Till
year
Sunday.
Thursday, hang out for a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Door shopping on Friday, and then Saturday just like fucking, I'm just vegging.
Yeah. Yeah. What about Sunday?
We're here Sunday.
Okay.
We're here until probably about noon. and then we
Okay.
head out.
Yeah. They give trophies out, what, one day?
Yeah, so about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, the website will tell you who won.
Oh, okay.
I gave up trying to participate for trophies.
Do
so.
you pick it up? Is somewhere here you pick it up or they send it to
Yeah,
you?
they'll tell you to come here. And you go over, they either mail it to you or you come here and you get it.
Oh, okay.
And then they
All
have
right,
a little
cool.
parade of the cars.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's about doing the car your way though, and for you, not really for the trophy, because you know I like. All right, I got a Pontiac GTO. I'm still working on it, but I get joy out of people seeing my car when I go to the show. I really don't care about the trophy, and I don't even.
You know what I get joy out of when I don't drive it that much anymore.
Mm-hmm.
When I take it out, I drive it to Wawa.
Mm-hmm. And the people,
man, that motherfucker looks
there you go.
hot.
That's
like,
what. That's exactly what I'm talking about.
Like, oh, look, it's a Hulk car. And I'm like, that's kind of what I like. Don't look at that big man.
2015.
This is like the third wrap on it, like.
Oh, okay. Just switch it up. That's the color, the red under there, where you can put different color wraps on.
However, you gotta change it up a little bit. We see the same car over and over. And like,
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just one of the things. It's fucking.
So what about this?
Yeah, this is all hydro dipped. This was all painted lime green like that.
Mm-hmm.
All this was painted lime green. This was painted lime green. That was painted lime green. The guy came in and said, okay, well, we can do this for you. We pull this off here, hydro dip this, hydro dip this, hydro dip everything else.
He took it and came back with it,
Yeah.
what, about a week?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is nice, man.
I actually have a firewall in my wife's car
Mm-hmm.
that goes across the back firewall. That's the same thing. I just got it from the guy. I just didn't have time to put it on when I was
Yeah.
here. So.
What's she driving?
She drives a 2022 Scat Pack wide body.
Okay. It's over there. I take it.
Yeah,
I see you looking that way.
She's packing up the,
Okay.
the tent over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, she drives that. We just ordered that last year.
Yeah.
She got it literally the day after we were here. They called us up and said, your car's here. She goes, can we go home and go get it? I'm like, no. I said, I'm not leaving here and driving there.
Yeah. She wanted her car, man. You know how that go, though.
Oh, she got her car here. She is now.
Yeah.
nobody's up there. They all left me again because you take too long.
I was talking to people.
He was telling me about your car. Yeah. See, he was talking about you. The whole time. All right, have a good one, bro. All right, take it easy. All right.
No, a friend of mine's got the Saline Challenger over there. So, yeah. Now we got to pack up all this shit. We got a 5.5 hour ride home too. So. Yeah, we got. Just sit there.
Woohoo! Wow, look at this. There's something about the reds, y'all.
Oh, that thing's crazy.
Ain't it, man?
Wow. Yeah, sharp.
This is nice. This is awesome. Make sure I don't kick his feet.
They're all fun.
6.4. All right, man. It's sinister again. They thick out here. Got a Hemi under there. Dang, man. Next year I'm bringing my mom out here so she can play some bingo, man.
Oh.